Today, we're looking at a cool WordPress feature that adds a custom cursor image hover effect on menu items or list of links. This effect gives your website a modern, interactive vibe with smooth animations powered by GreenSock animation platform. This effect allows you to show an image that moves with your mouse cursor whenever you hover over list items. Rather than the usual cursor, a specific image, assigned to each list item through the plugin's options page, glides smoothly alongside your cursor, delivering an interactive and visually appealing experience. Let's get started and see how you can add this kind of section in Elementor and other page builder websites. First, find the download link in the video description and download the plugin. Then go to the WordPress plugins section, upload the plugin, and activate it. After activation, you'll find the page options, menu item under the settings page. The entire setup is handled right from your WordPress admin dashboard. There's a dedicated settings page where you can add multiple menu or list items. We've also added options to adjust the font size and change the text color for each menu item. The color will also apply to the border of every item. Each item includes title, link, and image fields that you can easily edit. You can also reorder the menu as needed. A drag and drop option is available for this. To show the menu with the cursor image hover effect on your site, just insert the shortcode WP_cursor_ menu into any page or post. I'm using Elementor on my site right now, so let's add it to the About Us page and see how it looks live. Add the shortcode using Elementor's shortcode widget, then click Save Changes. Preview the page live, and here you have your menu items with a smooth image cursor hover effect. Let's explore the item settings, change the image text and links. Maybe using a light color for the menu might look better. Here's a preview of our latest updates to the list. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Give this plugin a try on your website. Don't forget to subscribe for more custom plugin videos. Also, check out the related content suggestions on screen. Thanks for watching.